Hi, Absen.
Bonjour.
Hi, Absen.
Hello, hi.
Hi, Absen.
Hi, Absen.
We have started cooperating with Absen from 2010.
We started partnership with Absen back in June 2022.
This year.
Alors nous avons travaillé avec Absen, ça fait un peu plus de 10 ans maintenant, avec les premiers écrans.
我大概是从2018年的时候就开始关注爱比生的。
So actually, I was planning to visit Absen since from 2017. Company issues like I could not travel here. So I have been just waited for 3 years just to come and visit Absen to see the production line.
This is my first travel to China, and this is the first travel to Absen.
Really love it. After I had a visit of 3 hours, there are a lot of things, but especially I will just point one thing. It is COB. It is the latest technology now. They have like a very unique design, unique product, and it likes very wow.
Effectivement, c'est toujours appréciable de voir les usines, les changements, parce qu'il y a beaucoup de changements quand même. On voit que la technologie a évolué depuis 4 ans. C'est intéressant, notamment le COB.
I realize their factory is very big. They keep in line with their products and they keep in time with their products also.
Yeah, Absen is a very good quality for LED wall.
Absen has always been a market leader for innovations. Team Absen is quite young, quite energetic, quite an interesting tool, and we appreciate the way team responds in a very short span of time.
His factory environment is very good. Also his team and also his quality, everything is better from others' factory.
跟我的想象有不太一样，跟别家公司比是很好的，在制作流程方面就是很先进，都是以无尘室的那个机器在做的，品质很好，就是有把关啦。
Nous sommes très contents d'être accueillis par Absen. C'est la première visite en Chine. C'est vraiment très accueillant. Nous avons pu visiter les usines, le siège. Et c'est vraiment un grand honneur et c'est vraiment très appréciable de pouvoir être reçu dans de si bonnes conditions.